I've been working at El Camino Hospital for 24 years.
Started practicing here in July of 1961.
I've been with the auxiliary for 29 years now.
Well, I'm in my 29th year.
31 years this year.
35 years.
16 and a half years.
18 years.
10 and a half years.
15 years or so.
10 years. I think patients appreciate the sort of the hometown hospital. It's kind of a community.
We really put our patients first. The nursing care is top-notch, and the physicians are highly skilled, and we bring a lot of new technology into the services that we offer.
People here take a huge pride in making sure that the patients are comfortable, even in the state or condition that they're in. They're really friendly.
On the weekends, we have volunteers that are going to be placed to be able to come over to the rehab center and play Wii games with the patients, board games, card games, bingo, just spend time with the patients on the weekends, because without visitors or a minimal amount of visitors and no therapy, it gets pretty boring over there on the weekend.
They make you feel as comfortable as possible. They're very friendly, open, efficient.
Everybody who works here, from the housekeeper up to the doctor, are committed to taking care of the patients and working well with others. Their coworkers and the nurses and the patients and the family members that come here.
We have a little more personal contact with our patients. Patients are more like family.
We want to really take care of our patients to the best that we can.
There's a lot of caring involved, and that goes along with the technology and the one-on-one you have with the patients from our end, from the dietary end, where we have employees that will hand-deliver trays to your room and speak to you about your meal.
I think the nursing staff is excellent. I think they're superior. I think our physicians are very, very high quality people with excellent training and excellent bedside manner.
We have a saying that the volunteers are the heart of the hospital. And most of them do it because they love what they do. They like to help people.
I think the thing that affects patients the most is personal care. It's the doctor that cares, and the nurse that cares, and the orderly that cares.
Everyone's committed to the patient and making sure they have the best experience possible. So we keep that in mind in everything that we do. Everybody works together to make sure that the patient has the best experience possible. And you know, if you're a patient here and you need a blanket in the middle of the night and you can't get a hold of your nurse, or you can't find somebody, there's somebody around that will go that extra mile to make sure that you get what you need so you're comfortable at our hospital.
I like being part of something larger than myself. I like, helping people, serving my community.
Our nurses treat everybody like their family. In fact, many times people have said they treated me as if I was their mom or their sister in the hospital. So I think everybody feels that way. They just feel like when they're here, they are a real person and really cared for.
As a patient, I don't know what more you could ask for. Excellent doctors, excellent nurses. Everybody does their job. Wonderful place to be if you need to be.